AI Bangla is an AI tool testing and training company for the first time in Bangladesh. Our mission is to empower individuals and organizations with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in specific professional sectors. Our team consists of experienced professionals who are dedicated to providing high-quality training and testing services to our clients.
The demand for AI services grew exponentially this year. With the increasing complexity of AI tools, it's becoming more important than ever to ensure that they are thoroughly tested before release. In addition, there is a growing need for individuals with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the field of AI.
At AI Bangla, we offer a comprehensive range of AI tool testing services to meet the needs of our clients. Our services include functional testing, performance testing, security testing, and more. In addition, we provide training courses on AI tools that are designed to equip individuals with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in smart Bangladesh.
Our business model is based on providing high-quality AI testing services and training courses at competitive prices. We work with clients on a project-by-project basis, and we offer flexible pricing options to meet their specific needs. In addition, we offer a range of training courses that are designed to be accessible and affordable to individuals at all levels of experience.
Since our inception, we have built a solid reputation for delivering high-quality AI testing services and training courses. We have uploaded some free videos on YouTube and social media and sent links to different people. They provided us positive feedback. In addition, we have seen a steady increase in demand for our services, which we expect to continue in the coming years.
AI Bangla is a profitable business model which requires a solid financial foundation. If we achieve consistent revenue growth over the upcoming several years, we expect this trend to continue in the future.
AI Bangla is an AI testing and training company that is well positioned to meet the growing demand for these services. With our experienced team and comprehensive range of services and flexible pricing options, we are confident that we can continue to grow our business and provide value to our clients. Our goal is to step forward to smarter Bangladesh with AI Bangla.